Hello, I'm standing outside of St. Paul's Cathedral. Yes, it is a big church in London and it's filled with paintings and a lot of statues and graves about all of the kings and all that in London.
Behind us is the Tower of London.
And the Tower of London is a bloody history of mysteries and intrigue.
Kings and queens and whose unfortunate men and women who suffered at the hands of the executions, interrogators, are tortures in the Tower of London. Woo. Yeah. Once upon a time in the Tower of London, there was a big fire in 1666, and it swept across London. It began in Baker's Kitchen in Holland Lane and lasted 4 days. The fire destroyed 4 parts of the city, including the old St. Paul's Cathedral, which was later rebuilt by Sir Christopher Wren. People tried to escape from the fire with boats, but it didn't.
Cannons. Did they?
Shooters?
Cannons.
Were used to protect themselves. And now I want to go up and show how it works.
Maria, du må ikke det.
No, because I... London Bridge.
And on the middle, they opened when there come big ships, and it's very beautiful. And then see this shit.
It is a lot of new modern buildings everywhere.
Var I klar?
Nogen kan tage et billede af mig, ja. Det er lige et af mig straf.
Sådan.
Du starter ved at trykke på det der.
Ja, jeg er i gang.
You see London Eye. It is a wheel where you can pay to see the whole city. It's situated on the south bank and it is 135 meters high. It is 3 times higher than Tower Bridge and it drives slowly, about 40 minutes, so there is a chance for a good view over the River Thames. The River Thames, yes, and the central London. For ting, der kom sådan en.
De andre deromme.
Optager den.
På jer deromme.
Ja,
Optager den. Optager den.
ja, når du har trykket på den der, Maria.
Hello, Sarah.
Du skal jo ikke spørge mig om noget for helvede,
Okay.
Maria.
Tower of London is the bridge.
When it
When
opens.
there come ships, they do then
open.
Then they
Open!
open, yes, like this. That this ship, and after the ship had passed by, then do
The
this.
bridge closes again.
Og så kan mennesket gå
Once
over.
upon a time, in
The Tower of
in
London.
the Tower of London,